Bay leaves are packed with nutrients that repair and rejuvenate skin and hair. Rich in vitamins A and C, bay leaves stimulate collagen production, rejuvenating and plumping skin and brightening the complexion. Bay leaves are an ideal DIY remedy for acne-prone skin and blemishes due to its antibacterial and antifungal properties. To create a face mask that reduces breakouts and refines pores, mix fresh bay leaves with quaisiol powder, okra and flaxseed gel. To boost skin tone and texture, add fresh bay leaves to your skin toner. Drink bay leaf tea to flush out skin impurities from the inside out and reduce acne and inflammation. Packed with vitamin B6, bay leaves are amazing for strengthening hair, for improving circulation to the scalp and optimizing hair growth and preventing hair loss. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of bay leaves make it an excellent treatment and cleanser for the scalp. Packed with antioxidants, bay leaves will protect your hair from environmental damage and also nourish your strands, enhancing shine and strength. To optimize hair growth and scalp health, use bay leaves, hibiscus, rosemary and fenugreek as a post-shampoo rinse. Add to your deep conditioner and also use as a daily hydrating spritz. Optimize hair growth, infuse bay leaves with amla, moringa, hibiscus, fenugreek and cocoa nibs in jojoba, baobab and wheat germ oil to create a growth serum that will optimize nourishment to your follicles, reduce hair loss and encourage hair growth.